I am 19 years old and I'm from Summerfield, North Carolina, and I've been in the dual enrollment program at GTCC for 3 years. My favorite thing about GTCC, definitely the instructors. They brought a lot of hands-on opportunities in the classroom and made it a really great environment. This program helps us prepare for the future by allowing us to make connections and also hands-on experience like using the simulators, and by also helping us find jobs after we graduate.
It's really inspiring to me to have come through this program myself and then get out into industry and then come back and mold that next generation. It's very fulfilling and rewarding. We have former test pilot, also folks from the airline industry, as well as corporate like myself, and even engineers. Students will learn from some of the top minds that have had very successful careers in the industry. And the local leaders here really put an emphasis on making Greensboro a focal point for aviation. And I think that's invaluable for our students to be around and a part of.
I came here because it was affordable and aligned with my interests, but it was just so much more than I expected, and I don't regret a thing. Everyone's very passionate about aviation and what they want to do, and you can have some of the greatest experiences of your life here. My long-term career goals are to become a technician for companies like L3 Harris, Textron, or CAE Incorporated, whether that's here in North Carolina or internationally.
Sometimes just scratch my head, is like, wow, I'm a part of this great team that we have. And the great thing is a lot of us are post our major careers and we're kind of in this give back mode. We want to see that next generation successfully get into the industry, seeing those parts come together and those light bulb moments along the way. And they'll come back years later and it's like, wow, they've really matured and grown up and gone on to do good things. And that really makes us happy.
My experience here at GTCC has been wonderful. I would say all my connections with the instructors and my friendships I've built here, down to time building and opportunities in the sky and even on the ground. If you are interested in aviation, I would definitely tell you to come try out this program. It's super affordable and an easy way to figure out if you want to pursue a career in aviation. If I could do it all over again, I definitely would. It's been a great experience from start to finish.
As both an alumni and a tech, this program really stands out. The resources here are way more than you'd expect for a community college, and you might just find you got a knack for it.